keep your receipts. Are you keeping all your receipts for all your expenses for Poshmark this year? This includes things like packaging, packing tape, boxes, tissue paper, anything like that. Do you put little cards in with your to your clients with every purchase that they make? Then those cards, you can use those as an expense for your business and claim that too. So make sure you're keeping your receipts. You're going to need to be able to show proof of your expenses, and that way your taxes will be less. If you're not keeping your receipts, you're going to end up paying a lot more in taxes this year, because this is the first year that you're going to be getting a 1099 for your online reselling activities if you sell over $600 worth. Before, they didn't tax you unless you sold over $20,000. But that's changed as of last year. They made that rule in April of 2021. So they are going to be taxing these stores now 15%. So a way to get out of some of that is to be keeping the receipts. If you're not keeping your receipts, you honestly may as well not even, unless you're planning to make under $600 and you just, maybe want to resell a couple things that you bought this year. But other than that, if you're planning on making over $600 in your Poshmark store, you would be very remiss not to hold on to your receipts. So you want to make sure you keep up with those. And then you also want to make sure that not only are you keeping these physical copies, but you're also loading them into a program on your computer. It can be something as advanced as QuickBooks, which is really wonderful for business. Or you could even just use a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet where you keep track of your sales and you keep track of your expenses. It's not that complicated to do, and you will be very glad that you did keep up with these at the end of the year, because all the reselling store, Poshmark, Etsy, Venmo, I know most of you have heard about this, but they are all going to be reporting, any movement of money over $600 to the IRS this year. So 2020, when you do your taxes in January of 2023, you'll be doing the taxes for 2022. And that will be the first year that this is going on. So keep these receipts. Even if you don't have the time to do anything with them now, it's still the beginning of the year. You have a couple more months to kind of organize them and get them together if you're not entering them into a computer program, but keep them. And make sure you're keeping these receipts anytime you buy anything. Anytime you buy anything for your store. Anytime you are buying personal clothing items for yourself, keep the receipt. Because I know that, at least for myself, sometimes I'll buy something, an item of clothing, and I'll take it home. I'll decide maybe I really don't like it that much, and I'll put it on Poshmark. Or maybe I'll gain and lose a little weight, or whatever reason you decide, maybe not, and you put it on Poshmark. If you need to be keeping your receipts from that too. So it's probably just a good practice